India's growth momentum is likely to sustain in 2023-24 in an atmosphere of easing inflationary pressures, sound macroeconomic policies, softer commodity prices, a robust financial sector, a healthy corporate sector, continued fiscal policy thrust on quality of government expenditure, and new growth opportunities stemming from global realignment of supply chains, said the Reserve Bank of India, RBI, in its annual report FY24 released recently. The Indian economy exhibited robust resilience in 2022-23 amidst a global turmoil following the war in Ukraine, and recorded a growth of 7%, the highest among major economies in the world. The recovery in the domestic economy gained momentum during the second quarter of 2022-23 as domestic supply chains normalized and activity in contact-intensive sectors rebounded, the central bank noted. Let us explore more about RBI's annual report in this video. Global economy. RBI believes the prospects for the global economy continue to be shadowed by high inflation, the adverse effects of geo-economic fragmentation operating through restrictions on movements of trade, labor, capital and diffusion of technology, and potential amplification of financial sector vulnerabilities. Medium to long-term challenges such as climate change, cybersecurity, cryptocurrencies, fintech and tech disruptions can also potentially vitiate the outlook, it said. Several shocks tested the resilience of the Indian economy in 2022-23. On the back of sound macroeconomic policies, softer commodity prices, a robust financial sector, a healthy corporate sector, continued fiscal policy thrust on quality of government expenditure, and new growth opportunities stemming from global realignment of supply chains, India's growth momentum is likely to be sustained in 2023-24 in an atmosphere of easing inflationary pressures. In the external sector, RBI expects the current account deficit, CAD, to remain moderate. With global uncertainties persisting, it expects foreign portfolio investment, FPI, flows may remain volatile. During 2022-23, headline inflation averaged 6.7%, 115 basis points higher than a year ago. Timely beginning of the monetary policy tightening cycle with a cumulative increase in the policy repo rate by 250 basis points since May 2022 helped ease demand pressures, anchor inflation expectations and contain the second round impact of successive supply shocks, RBI highlighted. The value and volume of banknotes in circulation rose by 7.8% and 4.4%, respectively, during 2022-23 according to a central bank report. 500 rupees and 2000 rupees notes accounted for 87.9% of the total value in circulation as of March 31, 2023, a rise from 87.1% the previous year. In terms of volume, 500 rupees and 10 rupees notes were the most prevalent, comprising 37.9% and 19.2% of total banknotes respectively. The Reserve Bank launched the Central Bank Digital Currency, CBDC, specifically the digital rupee, in phases for wholesale and retail segments in 2022. With circulating values of 10.69 crore rupees and 5.70 crore rupees respectively by March 2023. For 2023-24, the Reserve Bank aims to expand these pilots, incorporating various use cases and features, and including more participating banks and locations.